Look, family It's coming up.
Who's sitting in the middle?
Oh, this is a perfect view. Why am I thinking? Why am I playing?
Did I have this covered to see?
Come on, just load already. Come on.
Does everybody have their seatbelt on?
Do you?
Yes.
Okay.
Then put it on.
I think we could just.
Get this.
One of us has to be up at the front.
Exactly.
It has to be fair.
Exactly.
Is it?
No.
Oh my God. Daddy
Got it. I can't lose it. No.
I did it.
He doesn't have to put it on. He doesn't have to obey the law. It's his choice.
No.
I like luxury.
Can you switch?
This is luxury. Pure luxury. Yeah, this is good. This is leather.
We are in New Hayam Pashayara.
Really, Dad? That is fun to say.
We are in NH. During fall colors 2018 on October
Make that
13th.
as an iMovie and just send it on WhatsApp.
And Anil was telling me to take the video of Cannon Mountain. We are on our way to Cannon Mountain with me, Anil Adupa, Vaishu, Arav, Rohit, Anika, Sahasra. We are all having very good fun.
In half a mile.
It just sounds.
Why the front's the best?
No, right?
That's what you said.
Photo, go!
Hey, it's already snow on the top, is it?
It's a snow-covered mountain.
Oh wait, it snowed yesterday over here. I think.
Yeah, there
Yeah,
was
yeah.
some snow.
No.
It's a
Yeah.
snow-covered mountain.
It's October.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
possible. And a few years ago, where are you? You're covered in by the trees.
We're gonna go over.
Yeah, I know. That's what we're gonna do. On a snow-covered mountain. You're gonna be there. No.
Wow.
I can't.